Rocker with open legs, also known as open leg rocker. Bring the legs in and hold the ankles, bringing yourself into a teaser shape position. Roll back and then return to the balance position. Exhale as you roll back and then inhale to return to the balance position. If this straight leg position is a real challenge, especially through the tightness into the hamstrings, flexing the knees and supporting behind the thighs can be really useful here. Lorraine also shows us a variation where we work into some thoracic extension. So either holding the backs of the knees or the ankles, you would roll back on the exhale, inhale to return, and then lift the thoracic spine into a little extension. Just challenge that holding the balance position for a moment longer before you roll again.